Just amazing. One step closer to what's going to end up being Bitcoin going to $40,000 in probably one day. What do I mean? We got breaking news, everybody. Good for crypto, good for Bitcoin, BlackRock, and Grayscale, and even an interview with Gary Gensler saying we're not only reviewing one, but about 8 different Bitcoin ETF filings with the commission, and obviously it takes a while, but they're gonna be approved, and you know what's gonna happen. What that right now with BlackRock submitting an updated Bitcoin ETF application, everybody's like, "What really?" Yes, just happened today. And Grayscale, they're trying to convert their Bitcoin Trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. And I mean, Grayscale, the SEC did not appeal, which means, oh boy, let me tell you the full story. You don't want to miss this. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing. Oscar Ramos is here. Just in, 10 trillion BlackRock just filed an updated spot Bitcoin ETF application after the SEC feedback. Because we'll remember that the SEC delayed all or most of the Bitcoin ETF filings, right? And we know it's been going on since 2023, most of them, right? Because, hey, not only was they're looking to apply, they have applied, they're waiting, they got delayed. So I think we're coming to the end, guys, of waiting on this process. And we already got our little trailer, which was last week. Fake news, of course, but we know what's probably going to end up happening. And I want to make sure, because I know some people kind of like tell me it's going to be a sell off. Of course, it's going to be a sell off. Some people are just going to start selling because they know that's basically the top. But I do also agree more people and whales are going to buy. It just makes total sense. Also, we have breaking. Grayscale is one step closer to converting its Bitcoin Trust into spot ETF after filing an S3 necessary step before conversion. So definitely a positive sign, according to a Bloomberg ETF analyst. That's what's going on right now. It's breaking, it's good, and it's helping everybody. Here it is. We've seen this coming from ARK Invest, Fidelity, and others. Just more confirmations that issuers are in talks with the SEC. Makes sense, guys. Fidelity, ARK Invest with Katie Wood, Franklin, and most of them that have interest in having a Bitcoin ETF know that if clients demand that, if they're willing to pay the fees, why wouldn't they? And the SEC is going to still get some of that. So come on, I mean, SEC, there's really no lose for you. You just have to accept it, right? Which is good. This is the one, everybody. This one, I'm not gonna play it for copyright reasons because they always want to copyright us. But the point is, it's saying we have a bunch of those filings. And I'm not sure how long it takes for one, but we're seeing that it's probably going to go all the way to 2024. As we know, 2024 is roughly when they have due dates when it comes to saying, hey, here it is, here's the case resolution. So they are not in any rush. And obviously, somebody with Cointelegraph wanted to play us all. But what we could get from that, what we got from those fake news is that we're all watching. Everyone is watching. Not even 1 hour after that. It was 2 minutes. That's the crazy thing about it that I realized. If I'm sleeping and they approve it, I mean, that is the rise. I'm going to lose the opportunity to make some good money because when I wake up 5, 6, 3 hours after that, probably because crypto is so volatile, I'm going to lose the opportunity to make the most money. Not saying it's not going to continue rising, but you know what's going on with crypto. Once we have it, let's go back to Bitcoin. Look, this is the 1 hour, everybody. Obviously, we knew this was fake news and it happened in less than 30 minutes. So it came up, came down. Let's go to the 15. Here it is. Immediately when it came up, when it went all the way to the moon, it crashed, right? So what I'm expecting, and I've said that on my profile right here, Bitcoin ETF approvals triggered $40,000 Bitcoin in one day. So Katie Wood, BlackRock, they're all really positive that it's coming really, really fast. But it will have to wait for that to see it. I am positive, guys. Let's go to the 1 week here. And here it is. I got it lost for a second. $40,000 Bitcoin It's just here, right here, which is a consolidation that we've had from 2022. And it's a price right before the major crash. We're coming back here. And that will be for the price of Bitcoin as of right now, all the way to 40. That's going to be about 40%. 40% roughly. Makes total sense. I'm not looking for a 100% Bitcoin. I'm not looking for a 50, 60% Bitcoin, but with everyone ready and able, why not? I think that will really get us out of this 32. And it looks really realistic, in my opinion. Why not? Why not? I mean, if you think about it, that is really what we need to pass to the Bitcoin halving. There's going to be some more crashes. I'm also going to say that. It's not going to be easy for us just to get a green candle and that's it. 38, 39, and then crash 35, 32, and then go up. Like I'm saying, if you're early, if you see the news early, what I said, and I still have the tweet. I haven't deleted it, right? But here it is. Buy, 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 buy. Reason why is we're early. People are gonna get to know the approval later, and they're gonna be buying, right? So if you're early, it makes sense. If you're late, now people are selling. That's the trade-off, right? But this is exciting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm happy. And also in other news, I just realized that Cryptosaurus is back on YouTube. Great for him. It's one of the good ones for sure. There's been a lot of conversations, of course, here on Twitter, on X, and also on YouTube about what's happening with that topic, right? And thankfully, I've never gotten my channel banned or any kind of stopped or deleted by the YouTube team. So I'm excited that I'm doing things decently, but whatever happens at any rate, I'm going to use all platforms so we get it back. The attack from the media and the attack from all the different people that they don't want us guys to continue, but we'll be here steady for all the news happening. Other than that, everybody, altcoins not moving much. Fear, greed, kind of neutral, and Bitcoin steady, not leaving that 28, 29,000, and I love it. So 30,000 shouldn't be that far. And we're approaching the weekend. We're approaching more updates. And we remember what is happening at the end of October 2023. Yes, that's going to be the FOMC meeting, probably another interest rate hike. So we have about 10 to 11 more days of peace, delicious. We know CPI went higher a little bit on the normal, on the core went down. So there's a lot of moving parts. Let's see what happens at the end. See you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace.